I'm going to be spraying the wheels. So the wheels are going to need to be calipers. And the calipers. So here I'm going to repair all this damage to these parts here. You know, take it back to a nice condition, and then we're going to spray them. Yes, so today whilst Anderson's doing the timing chain, I'm taking on the adventure that is doing the wheels. So the wheels here, I'm gonna basically repair all this damage to the wheels here and respray them. Now, we didn't get much feedback on the colour of the wheels. We're still early days, so you know, I thought I'd put it out there, but not many comments on the videos at the moment. But we are in fact going to go satin black. So Phil has kindly agreed that he's going to spray those. So yeah, they're going to go satin black. So now I'm going to take these wheels off. We're going to get up on this ramp, and then I'm going to begin to work on them while Anderson fiddles around with the chain. Keep watching, guys. Hey guys, I feel like a Formula 1 tyre changer, yeah? These things are awesome. Check this out, watch. Easy, man. Okay guys, so got all the wheels off now, as you can see. They're all here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's just time to start working on them. I'm going to take them down. I'll probably use something like 320 grit sandpaper first, just to get like the top layer off, any little dinks and dents, stuff like that. Then I'll work my way up to say like a 500, then I'll go like a red Scotch-Brite, just to get them ready and keyed up and ready to go. Yeah, I'm quite excited with these. They should come out really nice actually. So yeah, so we decided to go with maybe like a dark metallic grey now. We saw some wheels that came through here the other day, and honestly they look really nice, and I think with the silver and the dark grey it'll make this car just stand out with all the dark like the tints, the dark trims and stuff like that. So we decided to go for a dark grey. Yeah, we'll see how we come out. So see you on the next clip. So, with doing the wheels, obviously we have the inserts here, and on the back you can see little clips. I don't know if this is focusing in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to in fact remove this bird picture here, the Vauxhall sign, by just pushing these little tabs here, and spray these, and then replace it back on. Yeah. Doing things properly, guys, doing things properly. Need a quick buzz over. Yeah. Okay guys, so quick update for you. These are the things that I'm going to be using today, just to refurb these wheels, take out any little kinks and dents and scratches and bad paint. So what I've got here, as you can see, I've got some 320 sanding discs, I've got the 500 sand disc, and then I've got the orbital sander. So we call it the DA. So yeah, this is what I'm going to use today, just to take the surface off. The wheels aren't in that much of a bad condition, so they're not going to need a lot of work. Phil's already agreed he's going to spray these for us this afternoon, so yeah, this will be a nice one. We'll see the beginning and the after. So enjoy this video, guys, keep watching, and don't forget, like and subscribe, yeah? Awesome, see you in the next clip. Right guys, as you can see, I'm just hitting it with a DA. And then getting all these little marks off here and everything like that. It's not going to be the most entertaining thing to do, so I'm going to speed this up. Ready? Cue the music. Bum, 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 boom. Okay guys, what are we talking about here? What's going on?
No, nothing.
What is it?
Yeah, Project 3 or Project 100. I bought a cheap wheel trim with a cheap color, cheap quality, but the feel made difference. Look at this guy.
Yeah, what have you done?
I got to try out my new spray gun I only bought yesterday. I bought myself a little mini jet gun, so it's half the size of a normal spray gun. So I thought I'd give these a little try and it's going to come out. I think they look pretty good myself.
Yeah, awesome man. And what's that? Is that coffee? Who made coffee? Oh yeah. Thanks Phil.
Only for the workers though.
Oh right, okay, yeah, yeah. Not for me then. No. Listen, I'm working hard. I'm over here doing the wheels, so. Yeah.
Never worked out. Right, I'm going to put this down for a strategy.
Yeah. We've decided on the wheel colour here. Phil's just gone off and he's just found this. So look at this.
Yeah.
I don't know if this camera's picking it up, but this is going to be the colour of the wheels that they're going. So yeah, I like that. I like that. We're all in agreement. We like that colour.
I love it.
So yeah, that's what it's going to come out like, man.
It'll be.
Right guys, so yeah, first wheel's done. All the few more little bits to do. I'm going to go over the 500, but that's good enough for now. I'll see you when all the wheels are done. Awesome.
Well,
yeah.
This one's basically prepped, ready to mask up for paint. I've just noticed a couple of little bits that I've missed in here. So I'm going to have to get a little Scotch-Brite in there and rub them down.
Yeah.
But apart from that, all good.
All good. All good in the hood. Right, so you catch me back. We're nearly at the point now where we can start spraying the wheels. So Phil's kindly taken on the challenge as well of getting these wheels done. So we've got 4 of them, as you can see, just marked up over there. So now we're just going to make room, mask them all up, degrease them, decontaminate, and then we're getting in. So I'll give you a quick walk over. It's just loud out here, so cue the music. Boom. Doing the wheels.
We were traveling mountains just to find out the seas. Said nobody find.
Here with Phil. Phil, what's the plan with these wheels then?
Right, we'll finish masking them up.
Yep.
Then, as you said before, a bit of a degrease and clean.
Yep.
See, these have had lots of tyre gel and horrible stuff all over them, so have to be a bit careful. Silicone could be a bit of an issue on these, so a little bit careful, and after that, put some wet and wet primer on.
So wet and wet primer, explain that. What's the benefits of wet and wet? What's that?
What it does is it gives me a flat surface to paint over.
Yeah.
So as you see all these bits of bare metal, these sort of scratches, it will fill them to make it absolutely flat for me. And I can put the base coat over the top, basically makes it more like a new wheel really.
Yeah, so that's what we want, isn't it? Just that perfect new wheel look on all the 4 wheels. So this is awesome, man. I can't wait. And This, guys, will be the last time you see these wheels silver, because as soon as Phil gets his gun out, these become grey. Awesome. Keep watching, guys. Okay, guys, so we got Phil, and then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to that camera, and then to this camera, and then to that camera, to this camera, to that camera. Yeah, so we're going to get some real POV footage of Phil spraying the wheels. So as you can see, just doing what's this yellow stuff, Phil?
Right, that's etch primer.
Etch primer.
So where the bare metal is,
Yeah,
it basically eats into the metal
yeah.
and it makes the paint stick basically.
Awesome. Brilliant. Right. Now, Phil, I'm going to throw this over to your camera now. Hey Phil, so the wheels are done.
Yes, finally.
As you can see guys, check these out. Oh my god. Look at that. Great job, Phil. You can see the colour on these wheels. So like, imagine these on the car. Well, you won't have to imagine too long. These are going to go on, but yeah. But look at this. Look at the glitter. The shine in this. Yeah, these are going to look special, Phil. It's going to look special, mate. Look at that. And then we've got the covers over here. They're all nicely done as well. So again, once we put the badges on top of those, well done, Phil. Now, how about we put these on the car, eh?
Yeah, we'll give it 10 minutes, then
Yep.
cool down, and then we'll put them on.
Awesome. Yeah, I can't wait to see these on the car.
A little bit warm at the moment.
Fantastic. Brilliant. So guys, the wheels are on. So tell me what you think, yeah, in the comments. Don't forget. Comment down below. Tell me what you think of these wheels. Because look at these. Look at that. I mean, that. No curb, nothing. Look. Come along here. Look at that. Guys, this is amazing. Look at that. Yeah, look at the bumper. All fixed and perfect. Rear wheels. Got it on the other side, so this is where the repair was. There's no dent now. Look at that. Perfect line.